All right, welcome back to Culp's Distraction Depot. So last time, well, that scared the dickens out of me. The last episode, I broke one of my axles. This episode, I'm going to be swapping out this rear end I got. I got the 410 from, a few weeks ago or whatever. And as I'm looking now, there's some subtle changes, some subtle differences in it. It's got bigger axle tubes, so I had to order some 3.5-inch U-bolts. I'm going to have to make more perches. Which ain't no big deal. I may be able to modify these, but I'll probably just make some new ones. But the drums are bigger. They got bigger studs, and they're a little bit different. So I'm not sure what all is involved in that. Maybe I can just slip my drums off and put these, my drums on this one. I don't know. Let me dig into this and see what's going on. This here is the not broke side. I wondered if possibly there was some damage from when the drive shaft broke, and then I just finished it off by launching it, revving it and dumping it a bunch, because I did do it multiple times. But I like to party. And the truck wouldn't spin without me revving it and dumping it, so what are you going to do? I'm not going to not spin the tires. Dude, I'd be calling you, I'm talking about some hateful names. I have before. Sometimes you're not around when I do, but. Yeah, get it. Just gonna put a little bit of pressure right here. Okay. Ease him down. Well, come on. Well, now why is okay. Now the rear end. I got 2 jacks on it, I forgot. Yeah. Wonder if I can get a dolly, 2 dollies. Oh, my brake line. I mean, I know my brake line's there, but I still really want to get this out of here. It's all in how much you want it. All right. I'm whooped. It is 5:30 on Sunday, and I didn't film a whole lot of this stuff because I just sat here and fought this thing this whole time. So I got the new axle in it. Man, I still got to put air in this tire. I ended up having to get new lug nuts, and of course I'm always missing one in my regular style. This tire is really close. I mean really close, but I don't think it's gonna rub. I mean, I know it looks like it's going to on the camera, but I jumped on the truck a whole bunch. But I broke a brake line and I fought it. I got the new Dana 60, it's a Dana 60 HD. I got it put in. And then I had to get all new U-bolts. And I welded my little, these welds, man. I fought this thing and fought this thing and fought this thing on pinion angle again. All right, like I was saying here. So the pinion angle should be good. And I hope there's no vibration. There's my puppy. And, but we're just going to have to see. This thing's hemorrhaging oil too. I got a feeling I'm going to take the transmission back out. Yeah. But the map sensor, it wouldn't fit. And then I texted my buddy and he gave me a very simple solution. I'm not going to mess with it right now because now it is 6 o'clock. And we're just going to scat down the road and see what happens real quick. I don't know. Not going to get too crazy. This thing's 100% untested, and like I do everything, I rushed it. So, okay. This may be like a super short-lived Oh, I forgot to do X amount, but now I tightened the U-bolts, 120 foot-pounds. I tightened all the lug nuts, -1 on each wheel, to 80-something foot-pounds, 85. Piece of black tape. And then I welded the spring perches. One side got about a weld about that wide. And if this is smooth and doesn't vibrate, I'll finish welding it. I think we're good. There's no exhaust on the truck because it was too quiet. There's no parking brake. You can actually hear the cam a little bit better. Hang on, let me look at my belt. Alright, we're just gonna let that belt ride. It looks good. Something back there. Oh God, there's no brakes. Forgot to pump them up. Why is the pedal so low?
I don't know.
Babe. Oh, jeez. There ain't no brakes.
Well, let's go back.
I mean, there's brakes, but there's... Oh my gosh. The vibration's not there.
Good.
Oh my gosh. It's not. It's smooth. You remember this was up and down, up and down? Oh my gosh. I need some more boosty, boys. Oh yeah, way smoother. I didn't see how much boost it was. I'm afraid to get too crazy. I really need to fix.
This one no brakes.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's right. Yeah, we're going 90 just then. We got no brakes. I mean, we got brakes. It just needs to be bled.
Hey, I bled them. I'm professional. All right.
Oh my gosh, that vibration being gone is huge. Yeah, the brakes are coming back. They're bleeding themselves. I'm just kidding. They're not really bleeding themselves. You can hear the cam way better with no exhaust. You hear it? Man.
Yeah. Little chubby.
Yeah. I can't see nothing. Is it clear?
Yeah. Put it this way.
Way better. Way better. Woo! Oh yeah, that's not even all the boost too. Oh man, it's running good.
I wasn't even gonna look down. I never even
Oh, that's fine. We'll hit it one more time. My gosh. So that's awesome. I need to finish welding up the saddles. I need to bleed the brakes. Man, I'm excited. This thing's smooth too. I mean, it was so bad vibrating. And I need to fix that map sensor and get all the boost. But it's pulling with these 410s. Oh man, so much better. You know, I am though. Now I'll forget to put oil in it, toss the engine or something.
drop a bolt inside of it.
Done that before. 14 and then fall?
I guess, yeah.
Okay, can you call out the number? Like, is it like 14, 11? Or let me just see it. Let me just hold it.
Well, how about you just drive? How about you watch the road? But when you're, blowing
Is he
tires
flicking
out.
his lights at me or was he hitting bumps? Alright. Ready?
Yeah. I don't know, it was all over the place.
Can I have that? Oh gosh. Let me
I
just
don't
take
know what you're looking for.
baby, I just want to screen.
Baby.
I'm gonna screen record it real quick.
Okay, you told me to hold it.
Yeah.
Are you screen recording it now?
Yes. My brakes are coming back. I don't know why, but everything's good on the brakes now. Alright.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, thank you, God. Man, this thing's running nice. So good. I got a little vibration right there. What is that? Boy, man, that's nice. Oh yeah, my brakes feel good now. I actually got brakes. Man. Oh, ain't no parking brake. Uh-huh. It's doing it. Except it's leaking oil extremely bad and I know it and I don't want to deal with it.
Yeah.